What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. We got a 2019 Honda CRV. It locks and unlocks, but sometimes it will not unlock. Okay, so first of all, if your battery's dead on this, change it. That little light right there should kind of flash, so I got a video on how to change that. So a few things you want to check if that is occurring. One, when you lock, you see the light flash over here. When you unlock, the light flashes here. That means this thing transmitted signal and you got a signal to unlock and lock. If it doesn't do that, either this is not sending no signal, or your battery could be dead in the car as well. However, very common for the battery fail on this, but however, if you check, everything checks out, it still doesn't. That thing is flashing, this thing is flashing, everything is working, you're able to unlock that door, that lock, and this one just doesn't unlock. So what you want to do is you want to pay attention to, you see, look at the lock over there. I'm gonna unlock, it unlocks. We're gonna pay attention to this one right here. You see that, how that thing turns? That's unlocked and unlocks. So if all the doors unlock except this door, the failure could be door lock actuator, which is a small component, electrical component in here. That could be the failure. Okay, that could be the failure, because this is the most common use, because as you unlock one time, only this one unlocks, none of them. Second time, the rest of them unlock. So this one takes a lot of beating, it can fail. So look into that. If they all unlock and this doesn't unlock, that means your actuator on this is bad. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video, and bye bye.